Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you this beautiful Omega from the 40s. It was made in 1947. It has a beautiful dial with sun patina. Very nice hands. You can see the Omega logo right here. The numerals, I think, that are inspired by military watches, and I think those numerals were also green. This is a bug. I don't know what kind of insect is this. So look at this beautiful dial. The crown is in very good shape, as you can see. Has a chain. I think it's made of brass. Also the case, I think, is brass. Very nice indeed. You can see the dial from a different angle. Very fine, very fine. I like the contrast between the subdial and the dial, and I like also the fact that the subdial is very big. Inside it has a caliber 38.5 LT1, which is a very common caliber that one can find on Omega pocket watches. So I'll show you the movement in a few seconds. I hope you enjoy this beautiful dial. I like the colors of this dial. It has many colors. Very nice indeed. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you like it as much as do I. So let's show you the movement. So guys, this is the movement. A very fine example of Omega pocket watch movement. Bimetallic balance wheel. This movement will benefit from a good servicing process. Also, it's not so dirty. It's quite clean, I think. The balance wheel spins very nicely. The jewels has 15 jewels. This is the serial number, which dates this particular pocket watch in the year that I mentioned at the beginning of the video, 1947. It's quite old, but still works. So this is the movement. I think you like it. It's a very common movement, a common caliber. Nice perlage, this inner dust cover, very fine. Here we have Omega, Fabrique Suisse, Swiss made, also in French and English. The back cover has some dents, but not so much. Overall it's in nice condition, I think. Has minor scratches. It hasn't been polished at all. So very nice watch. Very nice watch. So guys, hope you like the video. If you do, please like, subscribe. It's free, and this will help me to add more videos like this one. I'll service the watch and I'll make a video for you guys to see the difference between this one and that will come in the future. Very nice touch. It's this logo, Mega logo. Very fine, and those very aged loomed hands. Nice numerals. Nice overall condition of this pocket watch. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. God bless you all. Thank you.